Hi guys, it's JLH here, and today I'll be doing a little bit more serious video on a topic that I really get annoyed at when I see videos about the topic I'm going to talk about amongst KTube channels or people who upload K-pop related content. Now what I'm going to talk about, the video is titled "This Has to Stop," and what I'm going to talk about is how some KTubers, when there's an idol gets exposed for doing something wrong, or when something happens to a group, or when couples are revealed to be dating by dispatch, or when couples are rumored to be dating, or when rumors float around or something, people will make videos about it, about them, about the idol or about the group or about the situation, just for views and clout. And they'll make meme related content, or they'll make normal content just for views and clout. And the people who actually make honest content, to report properly on the situation and give some actual good insight, those videos, most of them get drowned out. And the people who make videos for clout and views, they get lots of views, like hundreds of thousands of views. So I'm going to talk about this, and I'm going to talk about why it irritates me and why it has to stop. So before I begin, I just want to talk about what I'll be talking about in this video. So I'll be talking about the idol or the group getting into the situation, and how people have used this situation the idol or group has gotten into to get views and clout by making videos about them, just to make fun out of the situation instead of actually informing about the situation and properly giving insight on the situation, and how I'm annoyed by them, and how videos like these are really annoying, and how they should stop and why they should stop. Just to clarify, all the idols being used in the background have been used for clout or views by different K-tubers or K-pop related content makers. So I want to say that whenever an idol or a group comes under fire, or whenever they come into a situation, or when a male and female idol are revealed to be dating by dispatch or by the companies, or when a male and female idol are rumored to be dating, or when rumors float around on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc., then there are a lot of K-tubers or K-pop related content makers on YouTube who will take different scenes of the member or the group from different V-Lives, different reality shows uploaded by the company, different behind the scenes of different reality shows like Weekly Idol or Knowing Brothers, and they will then put them in a video editor, combine them together like compilation videos, and upload them and make it look like they're related to the situation going on with the idol. They don't really care to make the videos before, after the situation, but during the situation, when the situation is hot. They are those type of people who want clout and views, and they make fun of the situation, and they don't really want to inform their subs or the people watching about the situation. Rather, they want to make fun out of the situation just so they could get a few extra views and get subs and stuff. Like, I've seen a lot of these channels make this type of content, and they get over about 500k views, 400k, 100k, almost reaching up to a million views. And it's really annoying to me, because there are a lot of channels who do actually inform fans about the situation. They actually, try to shed light on the situation, what's going on with the idol, what's going on with the group, but they don't get enough views because they are overshadowed by the people who make these videos for clout. The only people who actually get the views for honestly trying to analyze the situation are verified YouTubers like Gracie Grace or Ploopy 678 or DK TV or channels like these. Unless you're verified, then you will not get noticed by fans and stuff, and it really annoys me. And I just wish that this could stop, because these people, they make it during the situation, during when the idol is going through the situation. Like, if an idol is exposed, then they'll make it there and then, so they can get the clout and views, so that people can stream their videos and stuff. And it really annoys me, and I wish that it could stop, so that people know that it's not a funny situation to make fun of, and it's really serious, and the idol is going through so much because they have been exposed for doing something bad, but the K-tubers want to make fun out of the situation, and it's really annoying. So for example, if you search up Jen Kai or Woojin Bully, then you will get a lot of videos on the situation. And not every single video will be about Woojin bully if you search up Woojin bully, or Genkai if you search up Genkai. But like if you search up Woojin bully, you will get a lot of videos titled Woojin being a bully, or Woojin bullying his members, or Woojin bullying his ex members. And if you search up Genkai, then you will get videos like Genkai moments we missed, or Blackpink revealing about Genkai, or EXO revealing about Genkai and we missed it. And it really annoys me because when an idol is exposed to be dating, people don't really go to that idol's profile, or try to DM them to ask them if they're feeling okay, how they're doing after the scandal, how they're doing after they're being exposed to be dating and stuff. No, they don't do that. They end up, compiling videos from different V lives, from different, behind the scenes reality shows of the idols together to prove their relationship is real, and to prove this. They don't really want to care about the idol's happiness. All they want to do is get a few extra views and subs and stuff. And if you look at a situation like bullying, Woojin, I'm not sure if he's a bully or no. I'm not sure if he is. I'm not sure if he isn't. So please don't come at me because I'm really neutral. I'm not a Stray Kids fan, so I don't really know if Woojin is a bully or if he isn't a bully. And if you look at a situation like bullying, Woojin was said to be a bully, and Jimin was confirmed to be a bully after Mina uploaded a whole lengthy statement on Instagram. And Mina worked up the courage to finally post up on Instagram last year about Jimin being a bully with evidence and the fact that she is a bully, and now thank God Jimin left. And people, K-tubers, they are trying to make these videos like Jimin is a bully or Woojin is a bully, and they're trying to get these views out of a subject like bullying. Like bullying is such a sensitive topic, and bullying even leads people to commit suicide. And these people are using a subject like bullying just so they could get a couple of views. And Mina literally worked up the courage to expose Jimin on Instagram, but people use her situation for a couple of clout and for views. And like, why would people want to use a subject like bullying just to get a couple of subs and views? It's really annoying to me because most of the videos about AOA Jimin being a bully are compilation videos of different scenes of her from different, from the promotions as AOA to prove that she was a bully, and those videos have over 100k views, and it's really annoying to me. The last type of videos is about Woojin's big scandal last year. Like when Woojin had the scandal last year with the OCs and Twitter and stuff, during his scandal he said he was signed up to this entertainment label named 10x Entertainment. And when this scandal happened, there was this channel named 10x Entertainment. It's a fan-made channel, not the official 10x channel that Woojin promotes under. So this fan-made channel named 10x Entertainment started uploading videos about Woojin, calling him Woo Jail, and releasing, songs and stuff about him. So there was this one video he released named Woo Jail. It was like a short MV, maybe 30-40 seconds. And this channel literally has 1 million views for that video. And now that Woojin is innocent, this channel, 10x Entertainment channel, should literally delete the channel, but I don't think they ever will, because they use the situation to get a couple of views and clout. And I know for a fact that people who want to actually talk about Woojin's situation, they will not do this type of videos. So this channel was literally using the Woojin situation that was really big and really scandalous and stuff, just to get a couple of views and subs and stuff. And this channel literally got 1 million views on that video, and it really annoyed me, and it really annoys me now. And whenever I get the chance, I comment on this channel and I go like, you can delete your channel now since Woojin is innocent. Because why do you want to still continue hating on Woojin, making memes out of Woojin about a situation that is really scary? If the situation was true and it wasn't, fake, then you would be literally making fun of a situation where the OCs or the people who would expose Woojin were really scared and all, and this channel is literally making a quick buck from a really scary situation. So I just wish that this channel would delete itself off YouTube, because they're literally making meme related content on big situations. They even have videos about Jimin, and they don't really have normal funny type of videos that people would actually want to watch. No, they have videos about Woojin named Woo Jail, and then about Jimin, and they're using these big situations, these scary situations, taking them out of context, and making memes out of them and funny videos, and it's really annoying and it's really sad, and they should stop. Okay, so these type of videos have to stop right now, and they're really annoying. When an idol gets exposed, when an idol comes under fire, when a group comes under fire, when couples are revealed by dispatch or by the company, or when couples are rumored to be dating, or when rumors float around, these videos get made, and then these cloud seeking channels, they get views from it, they get subs from it, and they don't even feel guilty at the fact that they making these videos for clout on topics that are really scary for the idols and really scary for the people who are involved in these scandals and in these dating dramas and stuff. And it's really sad that these clout seeking channels don't really give a shit or care about the idol. They continue making these videos, they add more fuel to the fire, like, oh, this idol is doing wrong, or prove that this idol is a bad person, or prove that they were dating but we missed it. And I'm like, can you please stop? These idols are going through a tough time. Yes, the ones that have actually done wrong, yes, they have done wrong, and I don't support them now because they have done wrong, but making videos about them just to make the matter worse is really bad. Like, these people, I know for a fact they're clout seeking, and they're just doing this to make fun of the idol or make fun of the group, or just for attention and clout, because of the fact that they have they have millions, they have hundreds of thousands of views when they make these videos, and they just compilation videos of different edits of V lives and reality shows and behind the scenes and stuff. And I can see by the pinned comments where they write Lamau or they had different emojis and stuff, which proves that this video wasn't even informative and stuff. Because I'm on group chats where we make different kinds of jokes, and the people, when they respond to those jokes, they add the same emojis that are added in the pinned comments of these videos or in the description and stuff. And by the titles of the videos, I can tell that these videos are clout seeking, and these videos are not really informative or giving proper information about the situation. And I hate that the people, when they comment, that they actually comment like stupid things like, oh, I'm crying, or lamao, something like that. And it's really really annoying, and it's really really sad, and I wish that these channels would stop making these type of videos and actually make some good K-tube content, like my favorite songs in K-pop or my favorite MVs in K-pop, something like that, or like actually talk about something informative instead of making these type of stupid videos just so they could get a couple of views and a couple of subs. It's like super annoying, and this has to stop right now. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you sub. I'm not really good at making serious type of videos. I just, whenever I make a serious type of video, I just add a performance, and then I speak over the performance, and then I add a couple of images, that's it, or videos. And I'm not really good at these type of videos, so yeah. Also, I decided to speak on this because I needed to upload a video to J-Lite, since I haven't uploaded since the last video I made. And I decided to do this topic because I'm really annoyed when I see these type of videos, and I wish these type of videos would just stop completely, because people, they don't really put any effort into making these type of videos, and they just do it for views and stuff. I know a lot of channels, K-tube channels, may be doing their videos for views, but at least they like, making actually good content, informative content. They uploading videos like, unpopular K-pop opinion videos, favorite songs, critiquing MVs and stuff. They do actually good content for views. I'm not saying views are bad. I'm just saying views are bad if you're not even putting any effort into the videos and you're uploading them. Then views are bad. But if you're like actually editing well, and taking your time and effort into editing for views, then that's fine. So thank you for watching, and please sub, because I'll be uploading more content soon. And yeah, so stay tuned. The next video is coming really soon. I just have to finish up with the songs and stuff. So hope you stay tuned, and I hope you continue subbing. Bye.